Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Master, that's Zim Tech Guy. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to reverse a video in Adobe Premiere Pro CC. But before we do that, if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. And if you do eventually end up liking the video, please hit that thumbs up button. So let's get into it. Now here I've got footage which I downloaded from Pexels. It's just a lady walking on a farm full of flowers. She's walking towards the camera. Now we want to reverse this footage. So to do that, it's actually quite easy. Let's just come to the footage. Here's the footage here on the timeline. Let's just right click on it and go to where it says speed and duration here. Click on it. Now this dialog box comes up. What we need to do is just tick here where it says reverse speed. And whilst we're here, let's also look at the parameters that are here. Speed, if you add to this percentage, which is at 100% so far, let's say I make it 120 or even double it to 200%, it will actually make the footage move faster. If I half the percentage there, let's say I put 50%, it will slow down the footage. So be wary of that when you do it. Yeah, so just click OK, and pretty much that's it. You've already reversed footage. Let me see if I can just play this. Okay, it's rendering. You see, there's the lady walking backwards. It's a bit choppy. Okay, let me see if I can render this. Just press enter to render it so that we can get a clearer preview. I'll just fast forward this part until the end of the video. Alright, so now that the clip is rendered, let's just play it back. This is the final result. So this is the final result. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. Otherwise, see you in the next video.